what you do to me, between me and you, I feel. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So you guys already know by the title, this is going to be a get ready with me. I'm going to be doing my makeup on camera today. So if you are new here, I am Sharnique. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Big shout out to Glamai for sponsoring today's video. So this is the Mercier translucent powder. I did feature this powder in a video a long time ago, you guys. I highly recommend this powder. I'm going to be using this powder in today's video and showing you guys how to properly use it and just the results from it in general. It's an all beauty assistant that analyzes the relations of beauty lovers. With this website, you can explore and shop and pick from thousands and thousands of beauty products. So I'm going to show you guys a screen record on how you pretty much can shop on this company's website, and they do have an app. So I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate this real quick for you guys. So pretty much you will go download their app. So when you download the app, you have this crowd taste, your taste, and then the rankings, and then you can just shop. So when you get on the app, they allow you to pick your taste. You can shop from face products to lip products to skincare to eye. And I tell you guys, they have so many beauty products. So what I did was I went in. So let's just say your taste, you pick for birthday, or you pick something for your face. Thousands of brands and thousands of face products and beauty products will pop up for you guys to shop. They have Fenty Beauty, Anastasia, Benefit. They have Bare Minerals. Like, they have all your popular known brands. So what I did was I clicked on the shop at Sephora, and all I did was type in Laura Mercier, or it will pop up if you just continue to just search through the app. And I needed another one of these anyway because I was running low, so I was like, well, let me get something that I need, that I know I'm going to use. So that's when I got the Laura Mercier translucent powder. So I was able to order it from the app and everything, you guys. Check this company out down below. All the information is down below, and let's go ahead and get into this makeup routine. Alright, ladies and gents, let's get into this makeup. So I know I do the same thing in makeup tutorials, y'all. Like, I feel like y'all should already know, but girl, I'm sick of seeing people walking around in 2021. And it's just like no excuse, y'all. Dead ass. Like, come on. It's so many tutorials out here that like I don't know. Like, it's no excuse. So for the last and final time, I'm gonna give you guys this makeup tutorial. So first and foremost, I am cleaning my brows up. Girl, it was time. I usually let my friend thread them, but I didn't have time, so I'm like, okay, whatever, let me just arch these eyebrows. So that's the key thing to getting nice clean brows. If no one has told you, yes, arch your brows, clean your brows up. I promise you, your brows will be so fleeky when it's time to do the brow process. So I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and I'm going to be applying just a thin layer of that. I don't want too much of a full coverage, okay? So I'm just gonna be taking a little of that. Y'all, I'm over my skin. I promise you, ever since I've moved out here, my skin, and before anybody say, oh, it's maybe the makeup, no, bitch, it's not the makeup. I've been wearing makeup for years. My skin has always been clear. My skin started doing this not only during the pandemic with masks, but literally when we moved out here to Texas. I don't know if their water here is more harsh. I'm not for sure, but yes, my skin has been fucked up ever since. Like, what the fuck? I've been trying everything. At this point, I'm gonna leave it in God's hand and just hope that, you know, it clears up whenever it is ready to clear up. Like, I'm done stressing about it, okay? I'm over it. But yeah, anyway, so taking my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 334. That's my normal shade. So now I'm taking my Tarte Shape concealer. I realized this concealer was too freaking light. What the heck? Like, it was definitely light. So I did go in and mix this concealer because it was just too light, girl. Like, what the heck? I'm taking my Juvia's Place foundation stick. They only have these online now. Oh, maybe it's just our store that don't have the sticks. But yeah, I had to order these foundation sticks, and I love using these to contour. Absolutely love. So I'm just taking that to contour and carve my cheeks out. I usually put some on my forehead, but I was just going for more of a chill, like not even a chill look, but nothing just too much, you know. So now I'm going to blend the highlight in. I'm telling y'all, I don't know why it looks so bright on camera. I promise y'all these are the same shades I use. Maybe your girl got a tan, and that's probably what it is. Like, I probably got a tan and I'm using these bright ass products on my face when it's time to change shades. That's probably exactly what it is. But still finna finesse this look and make it work. So you guys know, if you don't know, I like to blend the edges of the concealer out first and then go back in under the eye, because I like to let the under eye part sit a little longer so it can get a little tackier and it can give me the coverage that I'm looking for. So I like to go back and finish blending it out at the very end. But as you guys see, I'm taking my foundation brush and I'm going back in and just blending the harsh lines. So yeah, I pretty much do this for my entire face. I believe this is my first time doing a video with me doing my face first, because I think I usually do my brows first for y'all off camera. But yes, this is how you would do your face first if you decide to do your face first and then your brows. I absolutely love this technique. It works for me. Honestly, I really do it either way. Like, I can do it either way. But knocking the face out and then going back to the brows, it just works for me. Like, I love this technique. I know some people say they could never do like their brows last, but I love this technique. I literally live by this. Like, I don't change my makeup routine at all. Like, if I'm going out and doing my makeup, this is what I do. So yeah, so going in and blending the under eye in, I'm going back in with that foundation brush, and again I'm just blending that all together because the foundation brush do got some leftover foundation, so it's kind of helping me calm down that super brightness under my eye because I don't want that. So yes. Alright, let's get into setting this face. So of course you always want to set your face, so make sure you guys check down below. So this is the Mercier translucent powder. I use this powder also for my dark skin clients as well. It's all about how you apply. Like, yes, you can use translucent powder for dark skin, it just depends on your base that's under it, okay? So yes, I'm taking a damp beauty blender and I'm pretty much pressing the powder into the areas that I highlighted. I absolutely love this powder. I use this powder for all of my clients. They do have different shades. If you guys are wondering, they have a banana shade, and they also have a I wouldn't say caramel shade, but it's like a dark, it's like that golden shade, more so for dark skin tone girls. So yes, I love this powder. It's definitely pricey, but girl, it's worth the money. So yes, definitely go check this out. I did do a comparison video long time ago comparing the Mercier translucent powder to the Sacha ButterCup. I will link that down below and also somewhere on the screen so you guys can go check that video out. I did compare the two powders, and like I said, I still love my Sacha ButterCup, but girl, I love my L'Oreal better, okay? So yes, let's get into these brows. So now you guys can see how I do my brows. So while I let my face bake and sit, I'm going to go ahead and create my brows. Now, I'm not going to lie, my brows came out so good this day, and I feel like it's because, girl, I finally had cleaned them up, because I really just been drawing my brows on without cleaning and arching them. But I'm telling y'all, I live by this. Like, when your brows are already arched and clean, the brows just come out extra perfect. So today was definitely a great brow day. The brow pencil that I'm using is a Maybelline brow pencil. So yes, that is the brow pencil that I am using. I usually would use ColourPop, but the brow pencil that I used to get from them online, girl, that bitch was sold out for months. I haven't even went back and checked to see was it still up there. This was last year when the pandemic first hit. I seriously checked every freaking month for those brow pencils, and they was sold out. And I'm just like, girl, what the heck? Like, y'all kidding me, right? So yeah, I haven't went back to them since, and I used to love those brow pencils, by the way. All right, so lashes are on. All right, so I already dusted some of the powder off. So right here, you guys see me just applying a little blush. Y'all know I love my blush. Got to apply the blush. So I'm going in with my setting. Well, I did go in with my setting spray. I like to use the setting. I like to spray my face a couple of times, just to take away that powdery look, because I hate that powdery like look. So I like to take my setting spray a couple of times and spray my face. And right here, I'm just applying my lip gloss. And girl, we's pretty much done. Like, that's it. Like, all I'm doing right here is just fixing my edges, and then that's pretty much all. Don't forget to check my hair video of this hair, you guys. This video is already up on my channel, so definitely check it out. I absolutely love how my hair came out. And yes, baby, this is the final video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to check down below for the company's detail. Leave some comments down below, and also like this video. And thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Big ass,